So the other day someone asked me on Twitter about what niche I would design for if I was creating Framer templates. And I realized how great of a question it is, because when you decide that you're going to create a Framer template, one of the most important parts is to pick a niche that is profitable and has high opportunity. So I started thinking, can we detect somehow which niches have the highest opportunity and so the highest potential revenue? And I realized that yeah, there's a way to detect that. And in this video, I'm going to show you how. Plus, at the end, I'm going to give you a crazy resource that will also help with picking your niche. My name is Nandi, this is Framer University, and let's get started. So as you can see, here I am on the Framer template marketplace. You can visit this website by going to framer.com/templates. And basically, here you can scroll down a bit and you're going to see these featured categories. And we can also check out all the categories that they have. So basically, these categories can be viewed as niches. So we have access to all of these categories, and we can also see how many templates they have in each category. So for example, we can see that there are not many brand guideline templates. And so this is already a great little data that we can work with, because we know that the more templates we have in a category, the less chance we have to make a sale. So to show you an example, let's say that we have a potential customer that is visiting a template category that has 5 templates. We have, in this case, 20% chance to make a sale because we only have 5 templates in that category. But what happens if instead of 5, we have 10 templates in the same category and we have the same one potential customer? Well, our chance of making a sale drops from 20% to only 10%. So you can clearly see that it is not so great if we have many templates in one category, because it means higher competition. However, there's one little issue with this calculation, and that's the fact that we probably don't have only one potential customer for these 10 templates. There are probably more customers looking for these templates. So let's say if this category that we have 10 templates in is a bit more popular one, and instead of one potential customer, we have 3 potential customers. So you can see that our chance of making a sale has jumped to 27.1%. So now we can see that, okay, if we have more templates in the category, that means that our chance of making a sale will drop. However, if we have more and more customers who are looking for these templates, our chance is going back up. So we kind of have to find a category that has a few templates, but it is really popular and many customers are looking for those templates. But we don't really have an accurate value for the popularity. We know how many templates we have in a category because we can just come here to the Framer template marketplace and tell it by these values. But how can we measure the popularity of each of these categories? Well, what we can do is we can go to a free keyword tool. For example, this WordStream website. Let's see what's the URL here. tools.wordstream.com/FKT. I'm going to have a link for this in the description. So basically what we can do is we can pick a template. So let's say we have this agency template here, and we can just search for it. So agency website template. We can keep it in all industries, United States, and we can click search. And so after a few seconds, we're going to see all these data that it shows us. So basically, we're going to find the one that is only agency website template and not all these keyword suggestions. So here it is, agency website template. So we can basically see that it has 110 search volume. And so this is a value that we can work with. And so now we know that this template category, agency websites, has 663 templates in the category and has a 110 search volume. So if we are deciding between, let's say, 2 categories or 2 niches that we want to design for, we can compare these values against each other. So we can also search for another category. Let's say we also search for real estate, because it has only 62. So let's go back to the keyword tool and type in real estate and click search again. So in just a few minutes, or just a few moments, we're gonna see that the real estate website template has a search volume of 1000, which is way higher than the agency website template. And so what we can do now is we can compare these values. We have an agency website template category, which has 663 templates in it with 110 volume. We already learned that more templates mean higher competition, so having 663 in this category means that we are not really good. And also we have just 110 search volume, which is also really low. So this probably is not the best category for us. And if we compare it to the real estate website template category, we can see that it has only 62 templates in the category. And then it has a huge search volume of 1000. So if we compare these two, we can clearly see that the real estate website template category has a higher opportunity. And we can actually calculate these numbers really accurately if we use a formula. So for example, the agency website template would have 11 opportunity on a scale from 0 to 100. And the real estate website template would have a 60 score on the opportunity score. So you can calculate these numbers for each of the categories and see which has the higher opportunity score. Well, of course, here in this video, I'm not going to show the formula itself because it's not a channel about mathematics and stuff like that. So I'm going to instead show you a great resource where you can just see all the categories, all these niches and their opportunity score. So if you go to framer.university/template trends, you're going to see this website and you can see that I have a table here with all of the niches, their number of templates and their search volume, and then the opportunity score that we calculate based on the number of templates and the search volume. So for example, as you can see, e-commerce is currently the best niche that you can design for because it only has 110 templates in that category, but the search volume for this specific template type is really high. So it means that more and more customers are looking for it, and the competition is really low because we only have 110 in that specific category. And you can go through all of these and see which niches are doing great and which niches are not doing so great. And basically, I'm gonna update this table every single month, so you can always come back to this website, just bookmark it for yourself, and just whenever you want to create a website, just come here and you're going to be sure that you're creating a website for something that is actually high opportunity and has a high, potential of making you some money. So that's it for this video. I hope that it was helpful. Make sure to leave your questions in the comments because I always try to answer those. And yeah, have fun with creating all these Framer templates and making some money on the side. Make sure to like this video, subscribe for more, and I'm going to see you in the next one.